Huh? Come on.
You know the best part about being an oil field hand in Jal, New Mexico? Fishing right across the street from the man camp. Well, what do you know? I found me a pier. Round 2 starts now.
Oh yeah. Huh? Come on. Oh yeah. That's a nice one. Oh boy, almost yanked the rod out of my hand. Cane pole fishing, there you go. Oh, that's a sandwich right there. Yeah, boy. There you go. Dang, look at this. Look at this fat boy. Yeah. All right. I'll see you later, homie. Thank you for playing. There you go.
That was awesome. All right, Rob the Oilfield Angler here in Jal, New Mexico, catfishing with nothing but a cane pole. See ya.